On the first step in Kit Merge, click the Edit Project button. Click to view the list of your completed Kit Merge projects. Select the one you want to edit. For this example, we will select the Kit Merge Attendance Certificate. And click Next. Next, you can edit the Google form by clicking the Edit Your Google Form button. A window with the Google form will open. Click Questions to scroll through current questions. Make edits and close this window. When finished with edits, close the window and click Next. Add your tags for each space. Click in the first space. Type tags for email. Then the tags for email will appear. Select each tag for each space. Look at the completed list of tags. There is a tag for each question in the Google form. You will use these tags in your output. Your tags will be provided on any step that you may need them. When complete, click Next. Click the button Edit Your Google Slide. The Google Slide file will open. Click on the slide to close the window. Click to select if recipients will get a Google Slide copy or PDF. Certificates make sense to be files that cannot be edited. Therefore, click PDF. Click Next. Click to add a subject for an email. A tip is that the subject of the email is also going to be the name of each document made. Use the tags for name in the subject to have unique files names of finished files. Type the subject. Click to add the body of the email message. Scroll down and click Next. The most important step is the last one. Click Finish for the edits to be saved. From this point forward, recipients will see these edits. This message will appear. Your project is complete. Click that message to finish this tutorial. That's it. You're done.